$115, and yep, 700, 4,000 bucks. So guys, welcome back to my cool YouTube channel, and for those who don't know me, my name is Michael and I'm a professional trader in the field of forex and binary options. So as always, my friends, I would like to show you how to make millions on this market, and if you want to know how to do this, let's watch this video. Okay, my friends, so today as always we're using only short time period of just 1 minute, and we're investing our whole deposit in each trade, so that we can save our time and enlarge our deposit as fast as possible. Now I'm going to open first sell position because, as you can see, price has reached strong level of resistance, after which we will highly likely drop. We have shown already a short-term upgoing correction that now will highly likely stop, and we will get back to our downgoing trend, long-term downgoing trend. So let's see what price will show us in this movement. Okay guys, so it was perfectly done. We have around 17 bucks. I told 1700 because I really want to have 1700, and I'm sure we will have them today and even much more. We have 17 bucks. Now I'm going to open one more sell position. As you can see, price has reached the strong level of support. However, it's the second time when we reach it, and now we will highly likely make an attempt to break through it, and price is showing this to us. Together with this MACD oscillator is also telling us about the short signal, so that's why of course I have opened the sell position here, investing our 17 bucks, and moreover I have already changed our investment to $32 because this will help us to make much more profit on the next trade, and because of course I'm sure that now we will be in profits also. So fine guys, it's done. It's done. We have around 32 bucks on the account. That's quite good. That's nice. Now let's check USD BRL currency pair, and what do we have here? Okay, so what do we have here? Price has reached a strong level of support, which used to be level of resistance, but now it turned to be a level of support, after which price is going to show us the very good growth. That's why I have opened buy position here, investing 32 bucks. And by the way, I have already changed our investment to $61 for the next trade because of course I'm sure in what I'm doing. Okay guys, perfectly done. We have 61 bucks on the account. That's good. Let's check USD INR. So here we have once again touched a very strong level of support, and after which I would like to open buy position, expecting the pullback reaction from the zone. We have invested 61 bucks, and now I'm expecting the potential growth from that zone. Fine guys, we have already changed our investment to 115 bucks, and this trade also was profitable, so I was absolutely right, like always. Now let's check the Euro AUD. What can we find here? So first of all, I have opened sell position because, as you can see, we're now in the very strong downgoing trend. All candles are red and we don't have any kind of low volatility, so everything is going really well. Together with this MACD indicator, it's telling us about the short signal because the green line is below the red one, and this is short signal. So everything is telling us that price will highly likely drop. And the third option is that we have broken through the moving average line, and this also gives us additional information that price will highly likely drop right now, and it did what we expected from it. And yep, that's it. We got our money. We have 215 bucks in our account. Now let's move forward. Let's change our investment to $215 and check USD currency pair, what it can give us. So let's check the downgoing trend. First of all, we have opened sell position on continuation of this downgoing trend. As you can see, price has broken through the moving average line, and now we're testing the level of support, after which we will highly likely continue the downgoing ongoing movement. MACD indicator is also telling us about the possible short signal because green line is going to cross the red one right now, and this is the beginning of the short signal for us. As you can see, price is showing a small reaction from the support line zone, but all in all we will highly likely drop. So let's see, let's just wait, let's don't panic and let's don't worry, because I am sure that price will anyway drop right now. And yep, as you can see, it's doing this. We have $402 on the account. That's really good, that's really nice. By the way guys, while you are watching this video, please don't forget to subscribe to my private TG. The link you can find in the description, because here you will find a lot of cool stuff and useful materials such as daily trading signals, daily analytics and daily tactics and strategies that will help you to become a professional trader and make millions on this market. All this you can find in my private TG, but if you write me a private message telling me, Michael, I want to become VIP, I will automatically add you to my private VIP channel and you will be able to participate in the same kind of online training session just like this and get real cash each day at the scheduled time. So don't waste your time, subscribe to my private TG right now. Link you can find in the description. This is absolutely free. Guys, now we're checking USD INR currency pair, and as you can see, we can observe a short-term upgoing correction. We have touched the moving average line, and after this, I guess price will continue going down according to the long-term downgoing trend. That's why we have open sell position, investing our $400. Okay guys, perfectly done. We have $760 on the account. That's really nice. As I told you, I was right. We have this in our account, $800. My friends, now let's check USDB real currency pair. As you can see, according to the MACD indicator, price is going to show us long movement, and now we have the third high, which is testing the resistance level line. I'm expecting the breakthrough of that line and continuation of the current growth, because it's the third time when price is going to test this level, and I'm sure that now we will finally break through it. Okay, my friends, perfectly done. We have around $1,500 on the account. That's really good, but we still need to do more. We have something like this now on the account. Let's check USD INR currency pair, and what can we find here? So, as you can see, according to the MACD indicator, price is showing us a very good long signal, and together with that, we have broken through the moving average line, and price is showing us a very strong upgoing correction, which may turn in the new upgoing trend. Just look at this big green candle which we have right now. We have invested our $1,000 here. I'm sure that it will give us a lot of profit right now. So let's check what will we have. We just need to wait a little bit and see the results. Perfectly done, guys. So we have done this shit. We have around $2,400 on the account, so $900 more. Let's check USD currency pair, and what can we find here? As you can see, price has reached a strong level of resistance, and after which, of course, I would like to open sell position here and investing $2,000. So all in all, this will give us nice profit, I'm sure in that, without any occasion. So let's check. Okay, my friend, just look at this, $4,000. Oh my goodness, we started with just $9 and turned them into $4,097. That's something like this additionally. So we got this just from $9. Oh shit. My friends, if you want to have the same results like me, then you need to be subscribed to my private TG. A link for it you can find in the description to this video. So do this right now and be God bless trader just like Michael Trader. I was so happy to see you all here. I wish you a nice and profitable day, and bye bye.